Everybody, I'm Steph. This is PT to Go. I'm a physical therapist, and today I want to talk about those upper back aches and pains. And one of the best ways I've found to deal with them is using a tennis ball. So stay tuned. You can do a self trigger point release with a tennis ball. All you need is the ball and a wall, or the floor. So you can also lay on the floor and just put this kind of in different areas. I like the wall obviously because you can kind of move yourself up and down, side to side, and really get into those knotted areas. So what you want to do is, if you find spots that are really sore, like, hey, oh, that hurts, stay on that for up to a minute, and that will cause a release. So essentially what you're doing is cutting off the blood supply to that muscle knot that's been created, and that forces it to release. So then pain goes away. It's magic. And that's it. If you're dealing with upper back aches and pains, try a tennis ball to get relief. Thanks for watching, everyone. Share with family and friends so that we can all stay on the go, happy and healthy as long as we can.